As we breathe, we're going to draw the shape of a square with our finger. It doesn't need to be a perfect shape. So start with your finger in front of your face. As you breathe in, trace your finger upwards to create the first side, counting for 4. Hold the breath for 4 as you trace your finger across, creating the second side. Breathe out for 5 counts, tracing downwards. And hold your breath for 4 as you complete the final line of the square. Let's do it again. Breathe in as you go up. Hold as you trace across. Breathe out as you go down. And hold as you complete the square. Try this 2 or 3 times. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it back. When you complete your next square, place your hand on your lap, gently bringing your attention back to what's going on around you. In your own time, gently open your eyes and have a stretch. Take your next step today, knowing you've given your body and mind this time to try and relax and feel calmer. This mindful moment is taken from our app, The Pocket Mentor, which gives you a daily breathwork exercise to help you build mindfulness into a helpful habit so you can lead a more resilient, confident, and happy life. If that's something you want, you can try the Pocket Mentor for free, and I'll leave a link below.